So, Killian, we're gonna miss you. Group hug for Killian. Thank you, Killian.
Dito si Killian.
It's a memory. What do you say? What do you say, Killian?
I'm gonna get this for Mama.
Do you have money?
Killian, bring it back. What is that? I don't like it.
Siya nyo na, minsan na siya bumili sa inyo.
Why does Mama never let me buy her anything?
Kasi that's
What are you doing, Killian? You're buying chocolates for Mommy? For Mama?
Kaya kung bibigyan niya si lolo niya.
Ano na?
And you daw.
And me? Okay, guys. So, today is our last day na. At bukas ng umaga ay flight na namin. So, ang sweet ni Killian, gusto ko lang i-share. Killian bought caps. Binila na kami ni Killian ng tigisang sombrero.
Ayaw nga niya pumayag, hindi siya bumili.
Oo. Para raw may souvenir tayo pagdating na sa Pilipinas. What? Nothing else. This is okay na.
Bawal sa kanya masyadong chocolate.
Killian, siya raw mismo guys gagastos yun. You have money pa?
May alawan siya kay Aldo.
Sweet naman. This is for me and Mama.
Gagastos. Wala ka na, pila na tayo.
Ano masasabi niyo, mabait ni Killian, no?
Masyadong generous to eh. That's too much.
Mana kay Daddy and Mommy niya. Papakita ko sa inyo, Mami, yung cup na bigay sa amin ni Killian. Sabi niya kasi, umiiyak siya pag hindi niya kami mabibigyan ng gift. Kailangan daw meron. Kahapon pa siya nagwawala sa amin. Kasi ayaw namin gumastos siya. Dapat kami gagastos. Pero sabi niya, no, I need to buy something for you. Sabi pa kanya kahapon kay Aldo siya. Sabi niya, surprise, parang distract Daddy, I will buy jersey for him. Wow. O buy jersey when we get back, okay? Ipon ka, ha?
Hindi po siya kasi pinapadalan siya ni Daddy Aldrich din ang alawan.
Oo nga, bait ni Daddy Aldrich. Pero kayo, wala kayong allowance kay Aldrich. You're so sweet, Killian, baby boy.
I'm happy again. Look.
You're happy again?
Yeah, this is for your friend. This is for Dad. This is for you. And this is for Mama.
Why were you crying earlier?
Because he gave me so much and then I gave nothing back.
Gusto niya may baboy. Ang bait naman.
Ganyan-ganyan kasi love ko si Killian eh. Mabait to eh. Kaya hindi ko to nakakalimutan pag may request to. Mama, can you buy me like that?
May tama na palaki ng tama.
Papa-shipping ko to. Papa-shipping ko yung gusto niya, right?
He's gonna buy the chocolates for us. Sweet boy. Wow!
Lalo na pag lumaki to. He will buy me a car.
Yes. A toy car. Oh, thank you.
Milk or white chocolate?
White chocolate.
White.
Is this a white chocolate?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Killian.
Thank you, darling.
You're happy now? You gave us something?
Yes.
You're happy na?
$18.
Wala. Wow! You got something? Nice one.
Bye.
Killian, when do you want us to come back?
Next 2 weeks.
Nge. We have no visa. Our visa will be expired by then.
Fine.
Kuha kami
A
ng
better
visa.
price. June.
June? Ilang months?
2 months from now.
2 months from now? Wag na kaya kami umalis. No.
June 22.
Gusto mo hindi na kami umalis?
Yeah.
Paano yung mga yung sahod namin?
Lipat mo dito.
Ilipat mo dito daw.
Ano yun, ibig sabihin pag mag-vlog ka na?
Puro part na, no?
Rapping from Perth, WA.
Oo, from Australia.
WA.
Oo.
Blessing ka. Kasi you have 2 daddies.
Yes. And you're loved by many people, Killian.
Yes.
You are loved by many people, especially your grandma. Who's your grandma?
Outside, there!
So guys, kakabalik lang namin sa hotel. Ito yung gift sa amin ni Killian. Thank you, Killian! We will wear this in the Philippines. Yan, yeah! Yes, let's go! Dapat tatlo kami pare-pares na ganito kasi hindi bagay kay Alice. Mukha siyang squid ball eh. So, yun. Thank you for the gift.
Okay,
We're happy you gave us gift.
Thank you!
Thank you, Hago. Yeah!
Okay.
Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so the time has come at kailangan na magpaalam.
Hey,
Bab-
I'm still going to
Yes.
the airport, aren't I?
No, you're not gonna go with us to the airport na.
Yes,
So,
I am.
you're not.
Susunod daw sila mamaya eh.
Susunod sila.
Sabi niya.
O, di advance na lang. So, Killian, we're gonna miss you. Thank you for bonding with us this week.
You're not going.
We're going.
No, you aren't.
We'll see you this next year. Or
Who's Aga?
okay, Mama. Sige na. We'll miss you, Killian. Oh,
Your hair's messed.
I know. I just got a bat. Hug tayo. Group hug. Group hug for Killian. Thank you, Killian.
Dito si Gillian.
Yan. Group hug. Killian, stop slapping me. We'll miss you, Killian.
Thank you.
You had fun with this trip? Oh,
Why are you vlogging anyway?
it's a memory. Love
Why do
you.
you post it?
For the people, so that they can watch us then.
Okay, like and subscribe.
And I'll see you soon. You tell them, I'll see you soon,
I'll
guys.
see you soon. Like and subscribe and hit the comment below.
So yun guys, mga next vlogs natin ay nasa Pinas na ulit tayo. So we are back sa Philippines. Team Aga, Team Gina Vlogs, let's go.
No, he's not.
What? I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go back.